What is a drip edge? A drip edge is installed on the post, and its purpose is to channel away water and condensation that accumulates. In a mullion-transom system, the principle is that the transom overlaps the mullion. Condensation that can accumulate in the false transom drips onto the transom, flows along it, then into the mullion. The mullion has grooves where the water runs down, and then it exits through the drip edge. There can actually be quite a lot of water. So, when the dew point is reached and there are temperature fluctuations, a significant amount of condensation forms. And installing the drip edge is simply the most crucial process. It's just a really important process, but everyone just ignores it. Let me explain what needs to be done. The drip edge should be installed at the factory with sealant, screwed in from underneath the mullion at a specific spot, at the level of the lower transoms. It can be lower, but never higher. If it's higher than the transoms, then water from the transoms will flow under the drip edge. But what we need is for it to flow onto the drip edge. So, the drip edge is installed at the level of the lower transoms. The installer checks to make sure it's installed correctly, screwed to the mullion through the sealant. If there's no sealant, if it wasn't sealed at the factory, unscrew it and seal it. If it somehow came loose or pulled away, screw it back properly and seal it. So, the lower drip edge is done. Then the upper drip edge is installed. It's flipped like this, mirror-wise. This drip edge at the top is needed for ventilation. So, we end up with an opening at the bottom and an opening at the top. Air circulates like this and evaporates any excess moisture that might form as droplets or condensation. Well, that's what the manufacturers recommend. I've heard some people say the upper drip edge isn't strictly necessary, opinions vary. But since there are recommendations, we go ahead and do it.